Welcome. Today we're diving into the updated way to navigate to the jobs page on LinkedIn. Whether you're actively searching for a new opportunity, casually browsing, or just want to stay informed about the job market, LinkedIn's jobs page is a valuable resource. So, let's get started and explore how to access it. First, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom menu. You'll see several icons there: Home, My Network, Post, Notifications, and Jobs. What we're looking for is the Jobs icon. It's typically represented by a briefcase or a similar symbol indicating employment or career opportunities. Tap on that Jobs icon. Tapping the Jobs icon will take you directly to the LinkedIn Jobs page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information and tools to aid your job search. At the top, there is a search bar where you can enter keywords related to the job title, skills, or company you're interested in. Feel free to type in exactly what you're looking for to narrow down your search. Below the search bar, you'll usually find personalized job recommendations based on your profile, skills, and previous activity on LinkedIn. This section is tailored to match you with relevant opportunities, so it's worth a look. As you scroll down, you'll encounter various job postings from different companies. Each listing typically includes the job title, company name, location, and a brief description of the role. You can tap on any listing to view the full job description and learn more about the position. The LinkedIn Jobs page also provides filters to help you refine your search. You can filter jobs by location, date posted, experience level, company, and more. These filters are located at the top of the jobs page. Using these filters can significantly streamline your job search and help you find the most relevant opportunities quickly. Take some time to explore the LinkedIn Jobs page. Check out the recommended jobs, use the search bar to look for specific roles, and experiment with the filters to narrow down your results. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for job seekers, and knowing how to navigate the jobs page effectively is a great way to make the most of it. You can also save jobs that interest you and easily apply for them through the platform. That's it for today's quick guide on accessing the jobs page on LinkedIn. Happy job hunting, and we wish you the best in your career endeavors.